Hello, my name is Jenniffer Curtis, and I'm greeting you from North Carolina in the United States. And I'm super honored to be part of the Ubumuntu Festival. It doesn't matter that it's only virtual this year because we have the capability to now connect people from around the world. Today I'm in North Carolina, but 4 years ago I was in Kigali and I was honored for the first time to ever be able to go to the genocide memorial site. I was honored to be around such incredible artists and also to be one of the many people dedicated to using arts to heal the impact of trauma, in particular from the Rwandan genocide. So I'm very honored to have, in the last piece, collaborated with Bijoni Satpati from Odisha, India, and in the next piece to be with the most famous Inanga player in Rwanda, Sophie. And Sophie plays the Inanga, which I immediately found a kinship to because the nature of which she plays has something in common with the music of the United States South, in particular the blues guitar from the Appalachian region. I'm from North Carolina, not too far from there, and I always include my roots in how I play. So I hope that you enjoy the next collaboration between me and Sophie with fiddle and Inanga.